I have two of the pieces of wood right here. Once I cut these are going to form the part that holds up the top piece for the laptop. Now, this is the part that's going to sit on my lap. And I know it looks kind of big. However, even though I'm using a laptop, I'm going to have a mouse pad separate on the side that you see. So I'm going to get ready and do the next step, which is I just want to curve these bottoms here so it makes it look a little bit nicer. I've made one mark here and here where the base pieces are going to go. However, what I will need to do next, as you can see on the back, there's a finish. I need to sandpaper just a really rough spot down the line, because when I use the glue and the finish nails, I want the glue to get a really good adherence to both pieces. Alright, so getting ready to do the last step, which is going to be to put these pieces on the bottom. I'm going to put light strip of glue. I'm going to do two things. I talked about using finish nails, but the ones I have aren't long enough, so I'm going to be using some wood screws instead. Alright, so this is where I will be sitting to use the laptop. So if I want to use this, I'm going to put this right up here. My legs will kind of hold it in place, and I can set the laptop right up here. Because my couch is a little bit different shape than another one I sat on, is I might trim the back to make it a little bit shorter than the front, only because there isn't enough leg room on the couch supporting the front section right here. So I might just do that to keep this a little more even. But otherwise, if I'm sitting at the couch, if I sit back, it should work out pretty well. I was working on something so that I could sit back in my sofa and have this unit sitting right on here to work on the laptop. Now the only problem I'm running into is what I didn't take into account is that this sofa, I think, does not have enough support underneath, because I've sat on a couple other sofas, tried this at my brother's house, a couple of these, and it works great. So what I need to do next is either find a way to possibly find out why the sofa's sinking. Not much. I think it's just enough that it's interfering with this. Or perhaps I spoke earlier, modifying this underneath so that it sits a little bit more of an angle, because what's happening is everything seems to tip forward. So I know it's the sofa setup itself. What I've done in the meantime is I have underneath this unit a regular coffee tray that's opened up, and it's sitting right on here. And this is kind of my little office at the moment. So when I have my receipts, I know it doesn't look, all that fancy, but as I'm entering receipts, I can set it here. I pile it right here beside me. I have a pillow that I do use here, And what's nice is just the right weight that I can just stuff that right under there, so I know I'm done with that pile. I've already done this. So I hope you like the update. I hope you like my videos. Feedback is always welcome. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, thanks for watching Mark and Maine.